Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, but it's going to be another Mustang video. You've watched in the last videos, especially on the Mustang, we did a 2014 GT rear bumper conversion with the GT 500 and lower valence. We did the 2013-2014 taillights, and in a couple videos before that, we did a Pipes off-road X-Pipe with muffler delete and resonator delete. However, in a video that I didn't upload or say really anything about it, that combination was just too daggone loud. So I actually put some Dynamax Bullet mufflers back on this car, and I actually love the way that it sounds now. But with that off-road X-Pipe, I had to get retuned. And I know I'm probably going to get roasted for this, but I've had such good luck with BAMA tuning. I know that's like the worst thing in the world to some of you Mustang owners. I've had very good luck out of them, and the car has made the most power with that tune versus other tunes that I've had on the car. I'm not bad-mouthing any tuner, I've just had good luck with them, so I've continued to use their tunes. And once I upload this tune today, which is what I'm going to be doing in this video, we're actually going to go to the dyno either later this week or next week and see exactly what this car puts down with just the air raid, cold air intake, the off-road X-Pipe, and the resonator delete with mufflers. So probably, I would say like 370, 375 maybe on a good day. Leave your guesses down below and see, you know, who gets the closest. In the dyno video, I'll actually have you pause it, put your guesses below, that way we can kind of keep that conversation on that video. But I actually have my BAMA tuner uploaded 3 new tunes. I actually have an 87 Eco tune, a 93 race tune, and a 93 Ghost Cam tune. Now I know everybody's going to be like, oh my god, the Ghost Cam is so 2014 or whatever it is. Well, I've had this car since October, so this is like 2014 to me. So keep all that to yourself if you don't care, because I'm new to this platform. So everything's still new and exciting to me, because I've been a big LS guy. I've had LSs for the past 10 years. So now that I've got a Coyote, I kind of want to get caught up. I also have an LS still. So my LS people, I'm still there. But I'm going to hop in the car, plug in this tuner, and walk you through exactly what we're going to do. All right, guys, we are in the car now, so we'll go to program vehicle. Yeah, sure. On position or push and hold the engine start button. Do not start the engine. Okay. Ooh, let's see. 93 race Ghost Cam. Okay. Settings look good. So let's go ahead and start installing. All right, it's downloading our tune, so I will see you after it's finished. All right, guys, so the tune is installed. It says clearing DTC and processing some data. It's already cycled on and off, so hopefully this thing is pretty awesome, because I've never heard a Ghost Cam tune in person. All right, guys, so everything should be updated. Seems to be idling better now. They said to get, I guess, the Ghost Cam to activate, you have to give it a little bit of a rev above 1500. So I'm going to let the car warm up just a little bit, flip the throttle, and then see if we actually get that Ghost Cam effect. Childish, but I guess I'm still a child at heart. I'm not going to run this all the time, but I guess for a little cruising and I guess shows and stuff, it's kind of gimmicky, but it's kind of cool. I don't know if you can run this long term. The car does sound pretty good. So guys, I'm going to take the car for a little bit of drive, see how the drivability does, and I will give you an update in a future video, probably the next Mustang video, which should be the hood and front bumper. But I'm going to go try this out. So if you like this video, as always, smash that thumbs up button. Go down below, hit that big red subscribe button on the way to 4K, and I will see you guys